If you are running a e-commerce fulfillment center business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your e-commerce fulfillment center business. Now managing tasks like checking inventory status, updating shipping timelines, and providing order tracking would be time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly respond with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my e-commerce fulfillment center business. But before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, I'll show you how this chatbot works in a real-time example. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we arrived on my WhatsApp screen. Now I will send a general message like hi, and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot gets triggered and it has responded us with this welcome message. Hello, welcome to Swift Fulfill, your trust e-commerce fulfillment partner. How can I assist you today? And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: check inventory, track my order, shipping timelines. Now if I select check inventory, it is asking me for the product name. As you can see, I've entered the product name. Now it is showing me this message. Got it, we are checking the inventory for your item. Please give us few seconds. We will send you the latest stock update shortly. Now if I select this track my order button, it is asking me for my order ID. And as you can see, it has responded us with this message. Thanks, we are fetching the tracking details for your order. Please wait a few seconds while we get the latest update. And now if I click on this shipping timeline button, it is providing me the shipping timeline updates like processing time, delivery time, and partner courier. So that's how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. And on the left side, you will see different type of messages and actions we are going to use to create our chatbot. And here is our flow start. It is triggered by keyword, regex or any pre-approved template and send message to the user. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can use pre-approved template to trigger your chatbot. For now, I'm going to use universal regex, which will trigger our chatbot with any text typed by the user. To enable case sensitivity, we can use this toggle right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. For first, I will create a welcome message. For that, I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will create a welcome message. As you can see in this message, I put this text between two asterisk symbol to make this text bold. By using this, we can create more visually appealing and clear message for the user. Now I will add 3 buttons, one to check inventory, one to track my orders, and one for shipping timeline. Now if the user select first quick reply button, I want to ask question from them and store their answer. For that, I will drag and drop this ask question node from actions. Now I will create a message. And in this message, I'm asking about their product name. Now I will select the contact custom field. It is where our data is stored. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check out the description box. Now I will select relevant contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this quick reply button to our question. Now I will create a next message. For that, I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. And this is our final message. Now I will create response for our second quick reply button, which is track my order. I will drag and drop this ask question node one more time and enter a message. In this message, I'm asking for their order ID to give them a real-time tracking details. Now I will select relevant contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this second quick reply button, which is track my order, to our question. Now I will create final message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message. So this is our final message. Now for third quick reply button, I just need to simply drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. And as you can see, I've entered our shipping timeline details. Now our fully functional chat flow is completed. To save this flow, we just need to click on this save button. So that's how you can create this chatbot. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbots for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.